Hey, good afternoon. This is Bob from Trade Genius, the 17th of November. I'm going to start once again with natural gas and just show you the day trades. And in this one account here, we did a couple nice little easy trades and picked up $300 with one contract. And I closed the trade, but I opened a trade up in my other account. I'll show you that in a second. To go into the weekend, and as I think we'll probably break out next week. The ensemble weather reports were trending warm. Again, it's such manipulation, but reality's baking back in. There's a lot of people short the natural gas market, and they're going to have to cover. And if it's as cold as I think it's going to get, they're going to have to really cover, and it's just going to explode. And I think the market's sensing that. I'll show you some of the energy names are really moving, and we're in them. And so once again, I'm just showing you. See, just using our day trading money machine. And for those that have our money machine, we added an additional revision that is going to lift the profit factor even higher. Like I said, what we've done with our software is every iteration we pass on to our subscribers at no additional charge. I'll be loading it this weekend, so I think I'll probably release it Wednesday night, so people have time to load it up for Thanksgiving and for me to get it out to our IT people so they can make it available for people to download it. So if you already own the day trading money machine, you'll get the revision for free, and if you don't buy it, there's Black Friday specials. You can get a great deal for this, plus get into the trading room, and I'll show you what we're doing there too. Just killing it on all cylinders of late, and it's primarily because of the software we're writing. It's just less and less losses, more and more wins, and better wins than losses, and that's exactly how you want to trade. And so everything's going really well. So that's that on this side, and then to look at where is it? Here it is. So I'm going to show you because I try to make at least $400 trading, and I'm doing this on just $2,500 in margin. I mean, it's just amazing the return on investment you can make. People say you can't make a lot of money with a small futures account. Absolutely. I never have more than $8,000 or $10,000 at risk trading futures, and only because some of them, like trading gold, require $6,000 in margin, or trading gasoline. But trading nat gas, 22 to 2600. Some other places even have lower margins. And here's today. So I trades on. I bought one at 308, closed at 309, and then I put one on at 311.5, and what now is around 313. That's what's going into the weekend. So up $500 trading nat gas today. Yesterday we were up about 100. The day before we were up 1,800, and so that's $100,000 a year pace. And I'm just following my trade signals, and I'm also calling out the natural gas trades in the trading room. So if you can join the chat, you get an additional bonus of me calling out my trades there as well. So that's that on that. And then flipping over to the cryptos, just incredible what's going on. And I'll start with NEO, because we had a buy signal on NEO a couple days ago, and it popped 25% today. We think this move's just starting. This is the Chinese government's baby, and if they start blockchaining around the NEO protocols, this thing's going to rocket. You should have some in your pocket and go. And we got Bitcoin here. It's pushed up here, and it went ahead and it broke 8,000 again. Making new highs, and now ready to break out. And like I said, we're thinking 10,000 before end of January, and so we're staying with that view. Litecoin has broken out now. Their Lightning Network is in motion here, and we have a buy on this, and profitable for those who followed that trade. And I'm going to skip these two babies. I talked about the Ripple Fizzle. That's over. I don't know why anybody would want to own it other than for these kind of announcements, but look how fast they get retraced. There's no value, long term. There's no scarcity value, and it's a banker's tool. So that should tell you everything you need to know. Ethereum has a nice little cup and handle here, and now it's bull flagging. And this is the one right now I have most of my crypto assets in on the alt side, and I'm looking for this thing to break. Once it breaks over 340, I'm looking for it to get to 400. Once it breaks 400, it breaks the ascending triangle and go. And these are all Phil in agreement with me on these. And you got Vertcoin moving, still in a triangle, but it's consolidating on the top half of its linear regression line. And then you have Dash ready to go again. And then you have Neo, as we talked about before. So the cryptos are moving. And just say tomorrow we're going to do a Bob and Phil show. We're going to talk about how the central banks, the exchanges, the main big miners and the Chinese miners tried to steal the whole crypto thing in one fell swoop with BCash, and it failed. So we're going to talk you through what happened, why this is, why Bitcoin itself is the only thing you need to really be owning, and where you should be spending your time. Don't worry about all these forked off coins. They're worthless in comparison to Bitcoin. So just stay with the big dog, and it's going to do you well. They're not writing futures contracts on BCash. Okay, so 11 o'clock tomorrow. And also Pacific Standard Time YouTube channel under Trade Genius. And then we also are going to upgrade our crypto software too. And so I'm going to be loading that tomorrow and testing it out. And those who already have the crypto software, I will automatically give you access to the new version of the software. And I'll probably be doing that over the weekend because I don't have to download it. It's already stored at TradingView. So I'll put a note out, and Phil will put a note out too. But anybody who's already purchased it, you'll be able to use it. And we have specials, Black Friday specials running on that software too. I mean, this is just killing it. I mean, just over a weekend, you'll pay for what we charge for the software. You get access to the room, and some of these packages that we have put together in addition to the software and the signals, and you're just gonna make a lot of money. So I just implore you to join us and take the worry and guesswork out. We think we have a good system. We think we understand what's happening here, and we have the management tools with the software that really help guide us when we think maybe we should be rolling into something else. We're taking a step off the bus and let things consolidate. So we want you to join us. And then finally going into the ETF world, again, I mean, I think I was up on everything today except for one, and we got out on a at break even. It's the Ags, and the Ags are still trying to find their footing, but we're in GG, and a nice little move today, a little surprise. We're long FCG, nice move there, and again, we're building a position in this for the move into January, February, March. Okay, Joby got stopped out at 16, we got in at 16. SILJ, I didn't pull the trigger on it. I'm still a little nervous about the miners, but I'm keeping an eye on it here. We're in UGAS at 10.03. We're in URA from 13.50. We have puts on for UVXY. We just rolled them into next week. Next week should be a good week for volatility coming in. Okay, we have XOG. And we bought that yesterday at 14.85, and that's pretty much it. And so everything's hitting. We're having good returns on the ETF side. I post those out on Twitter every day, so you can see where we are. And these are ETF trades. They're not penny stocks. They're not high flyers. These are grinded out. Make money every month. Build your portfolio. Not too much worry about individual stock risk. And again, we use we use our software to help guide us on the trades. And like I said, we call them out in the room, we call them out on our signal service, and we post every trade out there. I don't see too many other people posting all their trades, and and we do full transparency. You see them, and even we're even doing the binary options, and I think we're 44-1 on those too for currency trades. So we're just having a lot of fun, making a lot of money, and we want you to join us. And like I said, go to TradeGeniusAcademy.com. Go to the site where we have the Black Friday specials. Join us. You'll be happy that you did. You guys have a great weekend, and again, join us tomorrow, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Trade Genius channel, free webinar. We're talking cryptos, we're talking energy, and we think these are the areas we're going to make money here in the next 60 to 90 days. We're talking big money, and let's run where the bulls are running. Have a good one. Catch you later. Bye.